Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Initially, I was not going to make a video about this because, for reasons I won't disclose in this video, I was taking a bit of a hiatus from making videos, so I did not record the unboxing process, sadly. The packaging was simple, all the stuff wrapped up in the canvas. It came with everything I needed except clear instructions. Like seriously, what is this?
After you get the items, please check whether complete. Open the canvas, check all diamond whether enough, if not, contact us. Put the diamond on the canvas corresponding side. Put all diamond on the canvas and the painting finished.
Oh, thank you so much. I know exactly what to do now. Although honestly, once I got into it, it was not that hard to figure out. So you take the hollow pen thingy, stab the red thing a few times, pick up the diamonds with the now sticky pen, and put the correct diamonds on their spots according to the legend on the side. And can I just say that this was like the most satisfying and therapeutic craft project I've done in a long time. Like, time ceases to exist. I got totally absorbed. Honestly, I think they should adopt this into art therapy. I don't know if watching is as satisfying as doing it yourself, but I made a little montage here for you anyways, so hopefully you enjoy. And here's the end product. The picture is a little low quality, but honestly, the process more than makes up for that. And I can still see what the picture is supposed to be, so it's not that bad. If you want to buy one for yourself, I'll put a link to the company in the description. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button for more arty, crafty type things. Probably should have done a better outro, but I'm just gonna stick with it. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, see ya!